Group 5 is excited to introduce you to StudySync, a productivity app designed with students in mind. Throughout this journey, our team combined many skills learned in class to bring StudySync to life. Caitlin led the development of our wire flows, helped record voiceovers, and assisted with prototyping and presentations. Lauren crafted the user scenario, defined the problems and objectives, conducted our first user interview, assisted with presentations, and took the lead on our prototype. Nathaniel synthesized research findings into an affinity diagram, outlined design requirements, mapped out stakeholder roles, defined target users, voiceovers, and assisted with presentations. Ellie gathered key user insights through 2 additional interviews, developed personas, performed the competitive market analysis, and conducted user testing. Together, our efforts laid the foundation for a student-centered productivity solution. For this project, we explored college students' challenges in managing academic responsibilities. While platforms like Canvas, Notion, To-Do Lists, and My Study Life support task tracking, they often lack features that promote motivation, personalization, and well-being. Through market research, we identified a gap for an app that merges academic planning with wellness support. This app offers a centralized student-first solution to increase productivity and reduce stress. Focusing on the perspective of interviewed participants, we found that students consistently mentioned struggles with time management, stress, and motivation. From these pain points, we shaped key design requirements: a simple, intuitive interface with customizable features, built-in wellness tools, and platform integration. Our prototype reflects these insights, blending clean design with features that empower students to take control of their schedules while supporting mental health and helping them find life balance.
Welcome to the StudySync prototype app. This is our task management and to-do list prototype and app design, and let's click the Get Started button below. Here we have our credentials page where you can create an account or sign in up top. If you already have existing credentials and an account, let's create an account for this situation. Here you can see we can connect our account with Canvas and link our account. Here it opens up our Canvas page, as well as a Google Calendar button as well to connect to those credentials. Back to creating an account, we're going to click to agree to the terms of services and create. Here you have our home page. As you can see, we have an upcoming break in 40 minutes. We have an upcoming task reminder, which is a group meeting at 4 p.m. And you were able to navigate and basically switch your settings for some basic abilities on the home page, like study timers, which you can see here. They go off every 30 minutes right now. We are also able to turn on our collaboration features or off, as well as our study awards. So right now we have study breaks turned on. You can also access account settings from here, where you can view your account, make it a different accessibility, maybe a dark mode, change your language, etc., as well as change your profile picture. Let's click the back button up here. Let's navigate to tasks. Here is where we manage tasks. We have a specific group, which is in the category of school, and it's for DIG 3124. That's the specific class. And the project that we are working on in this moment is a task management app, coincidentally. And you can mark if the task is urgent or not, so it is emphasized and you receive more notifications for it. You can also view these tasks in a calendar view as well. So here's our calendar for Saturday, April 12th, 2025, where you have your tasks and you can mark them off for completion or not. You can also add a new task. Then we have groups. This is where you will be able to create study groups based on your subjects, topics, abilities in school. We have the category here for chatting with your group, as well as scheduling a meeting, and a progress bar to show your group progression. And this gets completed every time you submit an assignment via Canvas. So if you wanted to chat with your group, we open our chat settings here. We have a chat box. Let's open up Jeremiah. You can see here we're chatting with Jeremiah. People ask things like, can you share a doc? Or are we still meeting? Or progress on homework, etc. You can also schedule a meeting, which brings you to calendar view. Let's navigate to breaks. This is where you can manage your breaks. This is a reward-based break activities section. So depending on the amount of assignments you submit via Canvas, you reward yourself via a tier of points, badges, or streaks. In our selected profile, we have a point system via rewards and coins. So here's a rewards page. As you can see, there's a leaderboard. So some gamification to our app, as well as we're on a study day streak, which has earned us some points here as well. These points are study coins that earn up to a certain number that then unlock rewards. Here's an example of some of the rewards you can earn. So we have more than 200, so we're in this category right now, but there's others as well. At the top here, we have the notification section. Where you can see that we were surpassed by Jonathan on the leaderboard. Group 5 sent some messages, and our break does start in 40 minutes. If we navigate back to the home page, we're able to log out.
For this usability test, we interviewed 3 participants, Micah, Katie, and Jen, all female college students between the ages of 20 and 21. Micah is a library assistant pursuing her master's degree, motivated by staying organized and managing weekly homework. Katie is a college senior working in a school lab focused on efficiency and staying connected. Jen is a junior balancing life as a freelance artist and library assistant with goals to minimize stress and manage her time between work and school. Each brought unique perspectives aligned with our app's purpose. In this usability test, I provided the participants with specific tasks that reflected common user actions within the group. For example, I asked them to click Create Account to simulate logging in and navigating to the home menu. They were also instructed to explore the bottom navigation bar, clicking through each icon to access different pages, just like a typical user would. Additional tasks include scrolling through the leaderboard, opening the working chat, and checking the bell icon for notifications at the top. As they completed each task, the participants were encouraged to speak their thoughts out loud in real time to uncover how users experience the app and what could be improved in the future. After conducting usability interviews with the 3 participants, we uncovered valuable insights into how users perceive and interact with our app. Overall, the visual design was very well received. Katie shared, "The app looks awesome. Y'all picked some great colors and iconography." And Jen echoed that sentiment, saying it looks super professional and user-friendly. The playful pencil mascot also got a shout-out from Micah, who called it cute. In terms of navigation, users felt the app was intuitive and easy to use. Micah said, navigating the pages was easy, they're pretty self-explanatory. While Katie added, the UI is very intuitive and easy to navigate. Despite the positive feedback, users expressed some confusion around the study coin reward system. Micah asked, how does it determine what tasks are worth how many coins? This suggests we need to provide a clear explanation or onboarding for how the rewards are calculated. Participants also mentioned areas of the layout that could be improved. Jen pointed out that on the home screen there's a lot going on. The rest of the buttons should be in a settings page, not a home page. And Micah similarly suggested that features like timers, study rewards, and collaboration tools could be moved to the account settings for a cleaner interface. There were a few minor bugs as well. Katie noticed that navigating to the rewards page makes the bottom menu disappear, which disrupts the user flow. Finally, there was a suggestion to enhance logic in task organization. Jen shared, reordering the task name and task group could be nice, because that's how I would logically order things. There was also enthusiasm for expanding rewards into real-world applications. Micah proposed a system like Fetch, where students could redeem rewards at the pod market through school partnerships. These insights give us clear, actionable steps to improve both usability and engagement moving forward. Thank you.